NOS?
Nitrous?
Yeah, it's got NOS on it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, but I like it.
NOS? Oh, yeah. Can that be?
Craig.
What?
Down here. Mine boundary's too small.
What we're repairing, mate?
Might be a bit fucking rounded, that might be a fucking problem.
Exhaust hanging off, love.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, you don't need to get on a 4-poster or out. Everyone's dying. Look at Spotlight. Toolbox. Everything. Oh, mate. It's like sponsorship and everything. We've had some impact damage there.
Wow.
Oh, mate, we're leaking.
Yeah, I just tipped some up.
Some petroleum.
Yeah.
Bit of flamage.
Oh.
So who's running alright then?
Hands running mint again.
I think you need a burnout.
Well, I'm not wearing tread off my tyres, you clown.
You get out. Alright. Do you reckon you could actually get some smoke with it?
I bet.
I won't do it, would it?
Right,